Good morning, dear children. My name is Dr. Vishali Gai and the name of this channel is Tricks by Chemistry Guru. So this is again for class 11th in continuation with the first chapter. In the previous video, I have explained you about the basic introduction for the first chapter. What is chemistry, what is its scope and the importance, and we have discussed the classification of matter. Now today we'll move to the next content of the topic of the chapter, and we have the properties and measurement. When we talk about properties and measurement, first of all, we should know that every substance has definite properties. They have physical properties and they have chemical properties. What are these? Physical properties, that means any such property which undergoes some change in some physical change has been involved. So these are those properties in which some physical change is observed. Whereas chemical properties are those in which some chemical change has been observed. So I hope physical and chemical change, the detail you must have studied in class 10th. So there is no problem. So I'll just give you some examples of physical properties like mass, volume, density, melting point, boiling point. These are physical properties. When we talk about chemical properties, so chemical properties includes like cooking of food, respiration, burning of fuel. These are certain examples of chemical properties. So that involves some chemical changes. Okay. Now, after this, we'll talk about the physical quantity. What physical quantity is? When we talk about physical quantity, we say that any substance which undergoes some change in physical changes. We observe some physical changes that we call as physical quantity. So all those quantities which we come across during our scientific studies, we call them as physical quantities. That means they undergo some physical changes. So each quantity consists of two parts. One is the number and other is the unit. When we talk about physical quantity, we have these two things. One is the number and other is the unit. For example, suppose you go to vegetable market. सब्जी मंडी गए, आप सब्जी वाले से सब्जी खरीद रहे हैं एंड यू जस्ट टेल देम कि आप उनसे सपोज लेडी फिंगर खरीदनी है, आपने भिंडी लेनी है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू जस्ट से दैट गिव मी 1 kg ऑफ लेडी फिंगर. तो वो आपको तोल के दे देगा. बट इफ यू से गिव मी लेडी फिंगर, तो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? ही विल आस्क कि हाउ मच अमाउंट यू नीड. सो यू नीड द नंबर एज वेल एज द यूनिट. So if I'm saying a physical quantity, it consists of two things. Suppose you are going to measure the length of any substance. Okay. Then how do you measure? Suppose the length of substance is 2.5 centimeters. So it includes two things. One is the number and another is the unit. If I say length of any substance is 2.5, it has no sense. It has no meaning. So any physical quantity consists of these two parts. One is the number and other is the unit. Now, if I ask you what unit is, there is no problem in number. Number आप लोगों को पता है, digit, any digit. What is unit? So when we talk about unit, unit is some standard. Standard of what? Standard of some reference chosen. कहीं से किसी को compare कर लिया, okay, this is the distance of 1 centimeter or this is the distance of 1 meter and it should be widely accepted. Okay, so what is unit? Unit is some reference chosen and the standard of this reference chosen is called unit. And this is used to measure any physical quantity. It is used to measure any physical quantity. तो आपको जब भी किसी भी physical quantity को measure करना है, तो आपके पास standard of reference आएगा. That is unit. Okay. Now the thing is, अगर आपको unit को define करना है, तो आप unit को कैसे define करेंगे? So unit is, first of all, we should know there are 7 basic units. 7 basic units. What are these 7 basic units? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. And amount of substance. These are 7 basic units, 7 basic quantities. Then what is the unit? For length we consider SI unit as meter. For mass it is kg. For time it is second. For temperature it is Kelvin. Electric current is ampere. Luminous intensity, we say it is candela. Amount of substance is mole. So these are some reference units. So what actually a unit is, we'll be having some specific standard chosen to define or to measure any physical quantity that we call as unit. So these 7 are the 7 basic units that are prescribed by System International of Unit. So in the next video, I'll tell you about the next content of the chapter. So thank you and please subscribe this channel.